Today, I'm gonna find out how much time does the marble sink to the end of the liquids. We need a Sharpie and a stopwatch, 3 marbles, 1, 2, 3, then this is the third one, and 3 liquids, 3 different liquids in same amounts. Now, I'll tell you why I choose honey, dishwash liquid, and water. I choose honey because honey is thick, and I choose dishwash liquid because it's semi-thick, and I choose water because it's light. Now, let's see. Let's put 1 marble to the honey. Beep. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the experiment report. So slow. I'm getting so bored. It's not going. Got it. Now it's, look at the time. Wow, that's a long time. Let's write the time here. What is the time? Yeah. Okay. Now it's 41 seconds, 37 milliseconds, and that's it for honey. And let's do the dishwash liquid. Let's do it. I need to reset this. Reset. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's. Look at the time now. Now let's write it now. Let's write it to our experiment report. Okay. Let's reset. Now, in dishwash liquid, we got 1 second, 0.93 milliseconds for dishwash liquid. Now, the final one, water. Is that time so fast? It's 0 seconds and 21 milliseconds. fast for water. Let's see the experiment report. In honey, it got 41 seconds, 37 milliseconds. And this wash liquid, it got 1 second, 93 milliseconds. And water, it got 0 seconds, 21 milliseconds. Now I'll explain you why the water and the other liquids sink fast, semi-fast, and semi-thick, and thick. First, I will go with water. Water is so light. It's like a person running so fast. And like dishwash liquid is semi-thick. That means like a person is walking. And the honey is thick. That's like a turtle is walking so slow. Or running. But what I found is the marble will sink so fast in water and the marble will sink so slow in honey. That explains our experiment report. The experiment is done. Please subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time.